Hey, Murray here. Quick video to show you how to set up and use our new AI-powered Ask the Expert bot. And this is an AI assistant that you can train on the content of any course that you have in Xperiencify, and it can respond to student questions just like you would at any time of the day or night using an extremely simple chat interface that everyone's familiar with. We released this tool because no matter how well you do, there are always going to be students with questions. So let's talk about how to turn the tool on, how to train it, and then how to get it appearing in your student experience. So I have here in front of me one of my XP accounts, and it's got a bunch of the same course in here. Don't worry about that. I just want to demonstrate this with the top one, basically the Course Profit Accelerator. Okay, so first of all, you want to go to the account page here and click on Ask the Expert, and then you'll get a list of all the courses in your account. Just choose the course you wish to enable the bot for, and then click Enable Bot. Click Yes. So training is in progress. So I'm going to pause the video until the training is complete. Okay, so that only took about a minute because there's not a lot of content in this course. And when it's done, it's going to tell you the status of the bot and then when it was last updated. So you can see this one was last updated 20 seconds ago. And this will automatically update if you add new content to your course. If you upload new videos, new replay content, the bot will automatically update with that additional information and context. So it will be able to speak to that content and answer questions about that content. So now that the bot is active for this particular version of Course Profit Accelerator, I'm going to come back down here now to this version of it. Let me just move that up here. So this version of it. And what I need to do is make sure that the UI is enabled for the Ask the Expert bot. So you can see right here in the nav bar, we've got a few different ways to allow the students to access the bot. So first of all, I'm going to enable it in the nav bar at the top here. So edit content, and then I'm going to turn on the Ask the Expert bot. So turn that on. So now we have a new icon here, which is the little speech bubble. That is our bot. So if a student clicks on that, that's going to show a pop-up where the student can chat with the bot. Okay, so that's the first thing I want to do. Second thing that I want to do is go to our single training page. Let me just first of all save that. Second thing is to go to our single training page here. And then I want to add the bot underneath the video here, underneath the resources, right in this little spot here. So text and images, let's scroll down here to got questions and drag that one on. Okay, let's just pop that one up here. Got questions. Now this button is going to trigger the bot pop-up. So if I click on that, come down a button, you can see that this button is a link to the Ask the Expert pop-up. Okay, so that's this link here. So you can change any of the text here in the sidebar. So you've got questions. Go here, got questions. Ask our expert. You can change the text on the button as well. Boom. Ask our AI chatbot here. Close. Okay, I'm going to save that one. Okay. So now we are set up and the bot is ready to answer questions. So let me show you what this looks like from the student perspective. I'm going to add myself as a student. Now I'm logging into Course Profit Accelerator as a student. And now you can see I've got this chat icon in the top navigation bar. If I click that, that's going to open the bot. So the bot will introduce itself. It'll say, hey, I'm an AI bot. How can I help? Just ask me a question and I'll try my best to answer it based on what I know about this course. If you want to change any of this text, it's totally possible. You just come over here to language in your XP account and then choose the course and then choose the text. Just search for the text that you want to change. So it says, what do you want to ask? What would you like to ask? Okay, and then underneath here, so let's just search for AI bot. So you can see here, this says, hey, I'm an AI bot. So that's the text. So you can actually just add in extra whatever text you want. So just type in whatever you want, click the check mark to save it, and then that will be saved. So if I talk to the bot here, what is this course about? Okay, so this course is about creating an ultra engaging course that's up to 16 times more profitable than the norm. That's exactly what it's about. I'm focusing on the 10 course profit accelerators that increase upfront course profits, yada, yada, yada. So that's exactly what the course is about. It's a strategy, blah, blah, blah. That's exactly right. Can you explain more? So, cool. Certainly. A profit accelerator, and then it continues on to explain more, gives more context. Now, if I head down to the first piece of training content, you can see underneath here that we've got our button that will trigger the chatbot to appear as well. So there is my conversation that is saved. It's got the complete context here of what I have been talking about. So the students will be able to scroll upwards and see everything they've been talking about with the bot, and then they can continue the conversation. So I hope that walkthrough of our AI bot has been helpful and shows you exactly how to use this and how to get that working for your students. Okay, so if you have any questions, go ahead and click the icon at the bottom right to speak to our support team. So you can just click over here, and then you can ask a question to our support team, and they'll get back to you within an hour or two. So I hope this was helpful, and we wish you the best of success with this new feature. Thank you.